Hi there, welcome to 1-2 Steps. In today's video, I am going to guide you through how to upload music to Spotify. Spotify is a proprietary Swedish audio streaming and media service provider founded on 23rd April 2006 by Daniel Ek and Martin Lorentzen. It is one of the largest music streaming service provided with 433 million monthly active users. To upload a music to Spotify, first we need to open Spotify app, which you can download from Google Play or App Store based on your device. After opening to Spotify and logging into your account, click on the gear-like icon, which is the setting which should be on the topmost right corner. After clicking to that, if you scroll down a bit, then you will see a option called local files. Click on that and turn on the option called show audio files from this device. So if you have downloaded music on your phone, then it will automatically show in here and you can upload it freely on Spotify. So that was the process of uploading music on Spotify. If this video was useful, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification if you wish to get notification from our site. For now, thank you for watching the video.